We had ecoFinish installed on our pool as a remodel a year and a half ago. We live in the Phoenix area, and every 2 weeks we need to scrub algae from the dimples of the coating from the steps on the pool. All of our water chemistry is perfect, including phosphates. I look at the coating and it's like a golf ball's surface. Should we have to brush the pool every 2 weeks? And is it strange that we have algae building up in these pockets?
Well, it is certainly strange that you have algae building up in the pockets, but the pool should be brushed every few weeks anyway, at minimum. So I think for starters, to solve a lot of that issue would be a regiment of once a week brush the pool down. If you're vacuuming, whatever, vacuuming is one part of it. What a lot of people leave out is the brushing part. Because while you can vacuum out, or if you have an in-floor system, you're sweeping things off the bottom of the pool, but the walls still need to be brushed and along the base. So that, number one, just by putting into motion something, doing something that probably should be done anyway, you might solve this problem all along, or all together. In terms of, sounds like if there's dimple shapes in there, then that must have gone to the preparation of the ecoFinish, and I don't know what the finish was underneath or how they prepped it. And I could certainly see if things start collecting in there. But if it's specifically algae, you might have to look at other things. I mean, is this a green algae, a mustard algae, a kind of a black algae? And if it's a black algae, then there's a greater chance that it's there all the time and you're never really removing it. You're just kind of slowing it down and building it up again. So you may also be able to solve this by either replacing the water completely and or superchlorinating for a period of time to destroy any black algae that might be present. It may also be, you may need to use some black algicides and things because black algae in particular has a way of hiding in places that it's not easy to kill. And while you're treating it a little bit at a time, you may never be taking care of it, and that's why it continues to come back. So hopefully that helps. There's kind of a lot of different things that it could be. And I don't know that it's specifically because it's ecoFinish. I think that would just happen to be the surface that's currently there when you have this challenge going on in the water.